Welcome, fans of excitement. Today, join us as we experience a roller coaster of joyful and humorous emotions with some epic falls. I hope that panda has a soft landing spot because he's about to become a furry pancake. That's what you get for trying to act like a human.
Oh.
Well, that's certainly one way to cool off on a hot day.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god!
He's positively okay, but he's still a little shaken up.
Zeus! Cats are ridiculous. Oh my god, Ripley! He just fell. Okay.
Oh!
She's taking a nosedive into the world of pain.
Oh. Oh my god, Daisy!
Did you learn your lesson?
They must have been in perfect harmony. Ouch! That's gonna leave a mark on both the virtual reality and the real reality. He almost face-planted into the trash can.
Clap cheese. Clap cheese.
Oh no! He just performed the worst backflip in history. Looks like the goats had the last laugh. Oh my gosh, he was so engrossed in his phone that he fell right into the lake.
Oh my god!
I'm pretty sure her coach is trying to sabotage her career.
Oh my god!
Whoa.
Well, that didn't go as planned. Well, that was certainly one way to get down the stairs.
Oh, you stuck! Come on, bud.
Don't break a leg, buddy. Can you? I like
Wow, she really took a header down those stairs.
Oh my god, go fly. So close, we're here. There's the go.
Well, at least you're committed to your prank.
What the hell? I owed him up.
Two falls in a row? She's a comedy genius. I hope she learned her lesson, but I doubt it. She took a tumble on the sand dune. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, and we're here to spread joy like confetti. Share this video with your loved ones, and let's bring some wholesome chuckles to everyone's day. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of our lively community. See you on the next hilarious adventure.